So I've been neglecting the crap out of this car. I'm about to go to the car shop and wipe the inside and clean the trunk. Can't really see me. Look at this car. It's type 30. So yeah. About to go to the store right now and just quickly grab some, come back and wipe this bad boy down.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Yo, I tell you, these microfiber cloths, they come in handy. Clean as what, yeah. I mean, I'm using this Murphy oil soap. It gets the job done. I didn't know it would do this, but like, gets the job done. This car is a 2000 Honda Accord, and I'm about to make it look like a freaking 2017 interior. Always in the car have to have a flashlight just in case something ever happens. You have something to look at. You feel me? And of course, me, I'm a construction worker / DUI car guy, so I always gotta have one of those pliers hanging on the door. Right there, so it can be safe. And of course, you gotta have your girlfriend's, one of your girlfriend's cases. It's pretty cool though.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
Alright, I'm glad to announce that I'm going to be part of the PC gaming world where, like, I'm building my own PC. I just got this in the mail. The Corsair PC K55 RGB. This is the first step to me building my gaming PC, and the tower. I also got I think a NXZT tower. It's coming tomorrow, so And then probably next week, that's when I start getting all the parts, as in like the motherboard, the RAM, coolant, the fan, all that. So this is a very exciting moment for me, and I can't wait to start building this bad boy. Cheers. So I gotta go pick up Ashley. I'll be back, alright? I gotta go pick up Ashley. I'm a little dressed down. Psych! And I gotta doing this rushing in and out. And plus there's grilling, so your boy is hungry. I thought I popped my tire because I heard a pop, but it was just a plastic bag that was full of air. This is unusual. Only 3 clothes to wash. Yo.
Why are you wearing my socks? Why are you wearing my socks? Hey.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm nice. I'm better. What?
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Everybody knows that she got her game from me.
Huh?
She got her game from me.
No.
Yes, you did. Yes, you did. So, Ashley's trucks and wheels are here. We're going to work on it. It's been a while. She's been on me ever since. And now the time has come. The time has come to fix it.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah.
So I wasn't planning on doing nothing with working on the longboard, but since I got the polyurethane, I might as well just do it and then just wait and then put her design after that.
That means I can't ride it today. Sir.
So, quick job. Looks good.
And this is gonna be the top of my board if you didn't know. Yeah. It's a skateboard. I'm gonna be riding it tonight.
Boom. I'm gonna let it air dry. Come home, come back, and boom.
You're leaving it here?
I'm just saying, let it air dry. Come back with it, right after the air dry, and then work on it.
You're coming back?
No. So I came back home, and guess what I had? I'm trying to do this for the vlog though, just to make it like, accordingly. Yeah. I got this in the package. Yes, I'm building me a gaming PC / editing computer because I will be doing a lot of editing and I need something that's good, that's sturdy, that has more power. And the Max is not doing me no well, so I'm gonna stop using Apple products for now. I'm actually switching. I'm giving this Mac to my girlfriend. I'm gonna start using the Microsoft Pro, Surface Pro, Microsoft Surface Pro 4 Pro, whichever. I'm not sure, but yeah, that's the one I'm gonna be using now. And I'm gonna still have my iPad Pro, but because iPad they have a lot of apps in it, and Microsoft really don't have no apps. But
What does it start with?
I will be switching from Apple to Microsoft on certain things. Yeah, so this is the end of the vlog, and as time goes by, I will be showing you the things I'm getting for the build up. So stay tuned, watch we work.